Hi students, today we see the topic geometry and locus of complex numbers. First of all, we see equation of complex form of a circle. Circle oda complex form eppadi irukum appadina modulus of z minus z naught is equal to r. Here z naught is a fixed complex number, it's not changed. That is a center value. Okay. Next, r is denoted by fixed positive real number. It is meaning is radius. Okay. It is a geometrical notation here. Horizontal line is real axis and the vertical line is imaginary axis. Here center at z naught and radius or z means any point on the circle. Okay, there is a geometrical representation. Next, here two properties are given. First one, modulus of z minus z naught is less than r. Here less than r means the points interior to the circle. Okay. Next, modulus of z minus z naught is greater than r. What is greater than r? The points exterior to the circle. Okay. These two are very important properties in 1 marks. Okay. Next, go to exercise 2.6. See first question. If z equal to x plus iy is a complex number such that modulus of z minus 4i by z plus 4i is equal to 1. That's a total modulus. Okay. So that the locus of z is real axis. What is the real axis means? Y equal to 0. Okay, that's the final answer. Let's prove that value. Next, go to solution. What is the z term? X plus iy. That's the x and y real and imaginary parts. Next, go to consider z minus 4i by z plus 4i. Total conjugate can be divided numerator and denominator separately. So denominator term go to right side. So right side 1 into z plus 4i, z plus 4i total modulus. Okay. So modulus of z minus 4i is equal to denominator go to right side modulus of z plus 4i. Next, what is z value? X plus iy. Here z equal to x plus iy. Here also z equal to x plus iy. Next modulus same அப்படியே போட்டுடுவாங்க. modulus எப்போ ரிமூவ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா ரியல் அண்ட் இமேஜினரி பிரிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் ரிமூவ் பண்ணோம். ஓகே. First of all, take real part. Here only real part x. Next imaginary part is here 2 parts. Take I outside. What is the remaining? Y minus 4. Here right side is also same method. X is a real part and 2 parts are real parts. Take I outside. What is the remaining part? Y plus 4. Here next, taking modulus on both sides. Okay. Root of real part of square plus imaginary part of square is equal to again right side is also taking modulus. So root of x squared plus y plus 4 the whole square. Next, taking square root on both sides. ரெண்டு பக்கம் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுத்துறோம். ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுத்துறா ரூட் ரெண்டு கேன்சல்டு. What is the remaining? X squared plus this is a minus b whole squared. Okay. So a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Right side a plus b whole squared. Okay. This is very changes. This is only change. This is very important change. Here x squared plus a squared means y squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Next step, same terms are cancelled. Here x squared cancel. Next y squared cancel. Here 16. Okay, 16 cancel. Next remaining minus 8y. Go to right side. Here plus 8y. So 8y plus 8y 16y. 16 is a constant term. So take outside right side. So y equal to 0. What does y equal to 0 means? Here I consider a z equal to x plus iy. Here y0 means z equal to x only. X means this is the real value only. So the locus of z is real axis. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, go to second sum. If z equal to x plus iy is a complex number such that here imaginary of or real of imaginary of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 is equal to 0. So இந்த டேமோட இமேஜினரி பார்ட் மட்டும் கலெக்ட் பண்ணி ஈக்குவல் 0 போட்டால் போதும். This is the locus of z. Okay. Solution. If z equal to x plus iy, consider 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 is equal to 2 into what is z? X plus iy plus 1. Here denominator is also replace z by x plus iy. I into x plus iy plus 1. Next 2 can be multiple of x and iy. So 2x and then real part. So collecting real parts 2x plus 1. Okay. So multiple we get 2x plus I2i plus 1. Here denominator ix plus I squared into y and then plus 1. What is I squared? Minus 1. So that's also real part. Okay. So separate real and imaginary parts. Next step. So 2x plus 1. This is a real part plus I 2y. I 2y is the imaginary part. Here divided by same real and imaginary part separately. Here I square means minus 1. So minus y plus 1 is a real part plus ix. This is the imaginary part. Next step, into conjugate of the denominator. So minus y plus 1 plus ix. What is the conjugate? Minus ix. So both numerator and denominator multiple பண்றோம். Next real parts தனியா collect பண்றேன் and then imaginary parts தனியா collect பண்றோம். So what is the real parts? Real to real and imaginary to imaginary collect பண்ணா அது real part. Next real to imaginary and imaginary to real collect பண்ணா அது imaginary part. Okay. So first of all 2x plus 1 is a real part. Here minus y plus 1 is a real part. So multiply the two terms plus imaginary to imaginary plus into minus minus I into I squared again one minus. So plus 2y into x. Here 2xy. This term fully real part. Okay. Next plus I take outside. Here 2x plus 1 into here item minus x. So minus x. Plus here item 2y and real term is minus y plus 1. So minus y plus 1, this term totally imaginary part. Here divided by a plus b into a minus b. This is the same concept. Already you know a squared minus b squared. Here I squared varum. So adnala plus ஆயிருது. Okay, plus x squared போட்டா போதும். This term fully 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1. இந்த termக்கு என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. So imaginary part கேட்டிருக்கு. So அப்ப imaginary of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 is equal to 0 ன்னு சொல்லி क्वेश्चनலயே கன்சிடர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So அப்ப equal to 0 பண்றோம். Here 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 that is a real part. அது நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. So what is imaginary part? I into இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? இதுதான் imaginary part. So இத மட்டும் numeratorல கலெக்ட் பண்ணா போதும். Because it is imaginary part. Okay. Divided by this term. Okay. Minus y plus 1 the whole squared. Same a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus x squared is equal to 0. So denominator term totally go to right side, the value is 0. Next the numerator term multiply of minus x into 2x minus 2x squared, that is 1 into minus x minus x. Next step 2y into minus y minus 2y squared. Next plus 2y equal to 0. Next finally arrange the final answer type. Okay, so about 2x squared plus 2y squared plus x minus 2y equal to 0. Here constant term not included. This is the locus of z. This is the final answer. This is also so that question. This is a very important 5 mark question. Okay. Okay. Next third question. Same exercise. Obtain the Cartesian form of the locus of z equal to x plus iy in each of the following cases. Here first one, real of iz, okay, the whole squared is equal to 3. இதனுடைய Cartesian form, அதாவது xy ல உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஈக்குவேஷன் கிடைக்கும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? We got a solution z equal to x plus iy. Here put it z value. So real of I into x plus iy the whole squared equal to 3. Next multiple of I put it inside. So ix plus I into I squared, so minus y the whole squared equal to 3. That is real of ix minus y. This is imaginary part. Okay, so real part is minus y. So take minus y the whole squared equal to 3. Minus means square பண்ணிட்டா plus ஆயிரும். So y squared equal to 3 is a locus of z. இது வந்து real part கேட்டதனால y squared equal to 3 நாம் போடுறோம். இதே imaginary part கேட்டா x squared is equal to 3 முடியும். So finally x squared equal to 3 is a locus of z சொல்லி முடிப்போம். Okay, next same type here imaginary part கேட்டிருக்கு. So imaginary of 1 minus I into z plus 1 equal to 0. What is z? X plus iy, same complex number. Here imaginary of 1 minus I into x plus I plus 1 equal to 0. Next multiply of the two complex numbers, we get real and imaginary parts. Finally, so imaginary of x plus y plus I into y minus x, this is a real part. Here imaginary part plus 1 is also real part is equal to 0. Here imaginary of கேட்டதனால நான் I term மட்டும் எடுக்கிறோம். சரியா? The imaginary part is y minus x is equal to 0. Here sign changes. Finally, x minus y equal to 0 is the locus of z. Next, third sum. This is a homework sum. Next, fourth one, z bar is equal to z inverse. Here consider z equal to x plus iy. What is the conjugate of z? Thus z bar is equal to x minus iy. Next, right side term, inverse term. So z inverse is equal to 1 by z. This is the reciprocal of z is equal to 1 by x plus iy. Here the consider the equation is z bar is equal to z inverse. Here z bar and z inverse put it same places. Next, here right side term go to left side. So x plus iy into x minus iy is equal to 0. Here a minus b into a plus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A squared minus b squared. Here minus b means here iy. So I squared minus 1. So put it plus. So x squared plus y squared equal to 1 is a locus of z. This is the fourth sum. Next, go to fourth question. So that the following equations represents a circle. The கொடுத்திருக்கிற equation circle தான் represent பண்ணுதா அப்படினு கேட்டிருக்கு. And find its center and radius. அப்படி circle represent பண்ணுச்சுனா அந்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு center என்ன radius என்ன ரெண்டையுமே நீ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். First question. Modulus of z minus 2 minus I equal to 3. What is the circle or representation of complex number form? Modulus of z minus z naught is equal to r. இந்த ஃபார்முக்கு நீ எந்த நம்பர் கொடுத்தாலும் மாற்றணும். ஓகேவா? So இப்போ z means on the circle. Z naught means center. Okay. R means radius. So right side value is radius. Okay. So go to question. Here z equal to z minus. Take minus outside because here center except minus. Okay. So minus value எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படினா மீதி 2 plus I. Here total modulus is equal to 3. So this form is equal to this type. So is represents a circle அப்படினு எழுதிறோம். Next circle represent பண்ணுது அப்படினாவே அதுல கண்டிப்பா சென்டர் இருக்கும் ரேடியஸ் இருக்கும். So first of all we collect center is equal to z minus z naught. Z naught is a center. What is z naught? 2 plus I. So 2 plus I is the center value. Next radius equal to அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கும் அது ஃபுல்லா radius. So 3 units. Radius means some distance. So take units. Okay. Next go to second sum. Here 2 into z. Here first question only z. This is the difference of first and second questions. 2 இருக்கக்கூடாது. So but 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணிடுறோம். சரியா? Total term divided by 2. So what is the remaining? Modulus of z plus 2 by 2 1 4 by 2 2i equal to 2 by 2 1. Both right side also. Okay. Next step you can arrange this type of way. Okay. Modulus of z minus z naught equal to r. So take minus outside the center value. Okay. So modulus of z minus here plus 1 இருக்கு அப்படினா minus 1 போட்டுக்கிறீங்க minus இருந்தா plus மாத்திக்கணும் sign changes. Okay. minus வெளிய எடுக்கறோம் அப்படினாவே sign changes of that number. Okay. minus 1 plus 2i is equal to 1 is also represents a circle. Next its center is what is center? Z minus z naught. The term is center value. So minus 1 plus 2i. This is a complex form. You can put it ordered pair is also. So minus 1 comma 2 இப்படி எழுதலாம். Here also same type 2 plus I. What is a 2 plus I? 2 comma 1 இப்படி நீ சொல்லலாம். Okay. Next radius. The question is radius is 1 equal to அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கும்? This radius. Okay, 1 units. Here third question 3z இருக்கும். So same type here 2z இருந்தால 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணுவோம். Third questionல 3z இருக்கும். So 3 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டு remaining இருக்கிறத கலெக்ட் பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. Okay. This is a homework sum. Okay. Next go to fifth question. Obtain the Cartesian equation of a locus of z equal to x plus iy in each of the following cases. Already we know z means x plus iy. Put it as z place x plus iy. Finally we get it xy equations. Yeah? This is a Cartesian form. So first question modulus of z minus 4 equal to 16. Here z equal to x plus iy. This is a complex number. Put it here. So modulus of x plus iy minus 4. What is the real part? X and minus 4. So here put it real part value. Plus iy is the imaginary part. Go to right side is equal to 16. Next taking modulus. What is the modulus value? Root of real squared plus imaginary squared. So root of real part means x minus 4 the whole squared plus imaginary part y squared is equal to 16. Taking square on both sides. Yeah, already a root irukku, so squaring on both sides. So root cancel ஆயிரும். 16 squared 256. அது இல்லாம x minus 4 the whole square இருக்கு. இத ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிட்டா x squared plus 16 minus 8x plus y squared. Finally, we can rearrange the equation. X squared plus y squared minus 8x minus here 256 go to left side. Already plus 16 is given. So 256 minus 256 plus 16 here 240. Okay, minus 240 equal to 0. So yeah, this is the locus of z. Next, same type here, second sum is a homework sum. Here it's second sum. Modulus of z minus 1 the whole squared equal to 16. Here two modulus values are given. Here first question one modulus value, and then modulus of z minus 4. Here z means x plus iy. Put it here. Here also same x plus iy. Take real and imaginary part separately, and then taking modulus and then square, we get arranging this type of way. Okay, x squared, y squared, and then x time, and then y time irundha y time, and then lastly final constant time is equal to 0. This is a homework sum. And then example sums இதே மாதிரி ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. இதே டைப்ஸ்ல தான் இருக்கும். இந்த locus கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, and then center radius கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் போலார் ஃபார்ம் அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு. லாஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கலாம். Okay, see you the next class. Thank you.